Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving through Dunrobin. Dunrobin is just on the outskirts of Grandspan or Barbican. Now, like most areas in Jamaica, you have a lot of development going on. Now this is a residential area and you're going to see at least 7 developments under construction. So on the left where you see that zinc fence, that's a new development that has started. Over here on the left now is a development that's almost finished. We're going to show you a better view. And over here on the left is another development. So that's 3. This zinc fence is another one that's going to start. That's 4. Straight ahead on the left, this is another one. This one is almost finished. And then up ahead, we're going to go around again and show you individually. Up ahead, you're going to see, or straight ahead, you're going to see 2 more developments that make 7. This little area, Drumblair, Drumblair. Did I say Drumblair? Sorry about that, guys. 7 developments, all residential units, apartments. What happened is they changed the law to allow more habitable rooms per acre. So areas like this, you can build apartment buildings. And as you can see, these are all finished on this side now. Or the ones we're looking at are finished. People have moved in. Very nice developments, gated communities. So in addition to these, you have 7 more on the construction. Alright, so this is one of them that we passed earlier. Very nice development. And then to the right of it, that's another development. That's where we saw the zinc fence. So I'm going to show you both. Very nice. This one is close to being completed. Maybe it's finished already. I'm not sure. If anybody knows, you can leave a comment in the section below. And then this is the other one now. As you can see, it has a little way to go. But very nice developments. Massive, well, not massive, but big developments. And they're all residential units. Jamaica has a lot of developments going on. A lot. Residential, commercial, hotels, call centers, you name it. Jamaica, almost every area in Jamaica has some form of construction. Have to love the progress that's going on in Jamaica. Alright, so we're going to go around again and show you the developments a little more at each one now. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.